Hello guys! Welcome back to my Layover Diaries. But this time, hindi tayo magle-layover. So, we're going home for our birthday leave and it's gonna be like 10 to 15 days. Sobrang pagod na yung itsura ko kasi kakagaling ko lang din ng Sydney kanina. Kaka-arrive lang namin ng 4 a.m. Umuwi lang ako sa flat namin para kunin yung gamit and mag-change ng damit. And then right after, pumunta na ako ulit dito sa airport. So imagine the pagod. Ayun, alam nyo na yun. So yung flight ko later is at 8:45 a.m. pa naman. And now it's already 7:16 a.m. So we still have a lot of time.
Including the use of license handles with you at all times.
We are currently here in Victor Liner Station in Cubao and we're about to go to Baguio. It's more like a side trip lang and I'm kind of not feeling well today, but I had to push through this trip because everything is planned.
Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are currently here in San Juan, La Union or LU. Kakagaling lang namin from Baguio for an overnight stay lang. It's more like a side trip. So, nauna yung side trip and then here yung pinaka-agenda which is stay in La Union for 3 days and 2 nights. So, currently, we are here in the newly opened Hotel Mambo. I'm gonna show you a little room tour. And, ayan, as you can see, super spacious. This room is like around 3,800 pesos per night. So, ganda rin ng mga furnitures and fixtures here. And what I really like is yung washroom. Kasi nga, aside from super spacious, super clean din niya. So, ito lang yung fit natin for today. Onesie lang from 8 Mermaid and then shorts lang from Cotton On. And also my sunnies and my bag from Bangkok. Ito yung binili ko last time from my previous vlog. This is just 120 baht. So, ganito siya. Ganyan lang siya. So, that's it guys. We're about to go for brunch or early dinner na din. Parang all-in-one na. Before naman kami umalis sa Baguio kanina, nag-breakfast naman kami. So, right now, gutom na kami. So, we're gonna go, guys. We're gonna look for late lunch and early dinner. Mag-iihaw lang kami by the beach. Change of plans. Nagkakabsat na lang. It's our second full day here in Laongan.
Magkano yun, sir? 50 lang. Sir, ma'am, tamisan natin, ma'am.
Ano sabi ni sir?
Boba.
Hello, ma'am. Do you wanna
Canadian
try
soya.
my taho?
Sa Canadian soya.
So guys, we finished eating breakfast. And nag-change lang ako ng shorts kasi sobrang init. Di kaya nung makapal na skirt ko. We're about to go sa Great Northwest kasi mag-chill lang kami sa may El Union Coffee. And then up to lunch na siguro kami doon. And we're just gonna spend our time until lunch. Ano tong order mo? Ha?
Wala yung ano, sugar.
Ano to?
Origin.
Origin.
Ganyan yung pinakalat.
Americano?
Cold brew.
Cold brew. So it's our last day. We're gonna eat lunch and hindi ko alam kung gusto kong mag-extend eh.
Extend na tayo.
Or whole day lang.
Whole
Tapos
day lang.
later tonight,
Oo, hindi.
alis.
Tomorrow morning, 5 a.m.
Eh,
Ano?
magsisimba pa ako.
Oo, 5 a.m. Tapos hindi pa tayo, diretso tayo sa Patul.
Hindi, later na lang.
Ha?
Mamayang gabi na lang tayo
Saan
umuwi.
tayo mag-stay?
Dito na lang. So, this is, ano to, buttered chicken, half lang. Then, garlic rice. And then, beef caldereta. Nag-order din kami ng tuna steak.
Oh no, I gave my heart away.